So here everyone is supposed to come one by one. They'll be coming here while walking or while standing. You are not to run, just walk sturdily, right? Walk slowly, not to run like that. Just walk comfortably, feel confident, make eye contact with everyone. While walking, you are supposed to express your story or share your story, whatever you have prepared for. You must have prepared your motivational story or motivational speech. It means the topic is all about inspire each other, improve their lives, or improve themselves or their lives, or whatever story you're prepared to motivate each other. So one by one you'll be coming here and you will take your time around 30 40 seconds or up to 1 minute you can speak up. Should not be more than 60 seconds. Should be less than 1 minute. So come one by one as many interested are there. So who would like to start first? Either you can hold the mic like this way or you can put on the mic. वैसे पकड़ लो तो better रहेगा ऐसे ही.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Priyanka Singh. Today, let me speak a few words on punctuality. What is punctuality? Punctuality is the most important quality to attend, follow correct timing. It gives a value of the time, it saves our time and others people's times. Punctuality makes the best personality. To be punctual, to be smart, to be intelligent. Personality makes the punctuality makes the best personality. It is very important to get success in our life. Punctuality is not being on a time. It's basically about respecting your own commitment. Thank you for listening to me patiently and affections. Thank you. Next.
Hello, good afternoon, all of you. My name is Vandana Kumari. I want to talk about money and motivations. Money is a very important in our life, but because money is a fulfill our needs and like clothes, foods, but not money is a not necessary success and happiness. Money is a to earn money is a motivation like to allow is learning English and identity and happiness. So thank you everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Diksha Kumari, and I come here to tell you about the status of women. The status of women in our society is still very low. Women should sound like this, women should wear this, and women should, at the last point, get should married. We always told about the what we should do, to be aware, to decide what we should do. Therefore, the all the women educated and financial strong, then ever tried, ever failed, just no matter, try again, try, fail, and try better. All the trouble you are going through right now, tomorrow is going worth it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm going to deliver a speech on deliver on motivational speech. My topic is today's topic, life. Life is a beautiful journey. It will start with your birth and ends with your death. In this journey of life, you will experience both bad and good times. Good times will you make stay happy, while others bad time make you strong and wise. Whenever difficult time comes, you will learn something from it. Apart from that, um, apart from that, life will introduce you to many new people. Some will become your friends, while others will come and go like strangers. In this journey of life, in this journey of life, even close friends, such will grow apart. Such friends such friends you promise to, you will promise to you, uh, spend your entire life, spend your entire life, but they will come and go like strangers. In this beautiful journey, only memories will remain, and of those unforgettable moments we shared with them. Thank you. Next one.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kamli Rathore. I have come here to tell you about philosophy. What is philosophy? Philosophy is a systematic journal and fundamental because sorry. Thank you. Who is next?
Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am telling a motivational speech by a story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer in a village. He has a ground. He has a big garden. He had hid a ball in the garden. After that, he called his two sons and said them to find the ball. His one son is optimist and second is pessimist. His first son thought that its task is difficult but not impossible, so I will find the ball. But second son thought that its task is impossible, so he would not found the ball, and he slept under a tree. But first son continuously finding the ball, and after some time he find the ball under the tree. Under that tree, that second son is slept. After that, he called her father and gave that ball to her father. Then his father gave him a gift. Moral of the story is, when we think positive, we can do every difficult task. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, this is me, Ayush. Today, my topic is imagination. Imagination is the starting point of every achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, start imagination from today. Start imagination from today. Whatever do you want to become in your life? Start imagination. Start imagination. What do you want to become in your life? Start imagination. What do you want to become in your life? Never wait for tomorrow. Never wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. Because tomorrow never comes. What do you think about imagination? What do you think about imagination? What do you think about imagination? Imagination, sir. What do you think about imagination, ma'am? What do you think about imagination? How much power it hold? How much power it hold imagination? Now, I will tell you two story. After that, you realize that how much power imagination hold. Now, I will tell you two story. After that, you realize that how much power it hold. There is a prisoner, a great criminal, a great criminal. A policeman come here and sit near the criminal and said, Today I will give you a punishment of death." After that, there is a trick. I will not hang you. I will not shoot you. I will not hang you. I will not shoot you. But this is very tricky. This is very tricky. And the prisoner was thinking what he will do with me. And the policeman say that I will bring a snake, and the snake will bite you. After that, you will die. After that, you will die. And the prisoner was very scared and thinking, what should I do, what should I do? And then this is a sometime after I am said that this is a trick. Then a policeman came and close his eye with white cloth. After that, a second policeman come, and a second policeman come and with the two safety pins and pin his feet. After some time, ladies and gentlemen, after 13 minutes, the prisoner was dead. He was dead because of imagination. Because of imagination, the snake was imagination, and the safety pin was imagination. The snake was imagination. If you will do anything with your imagination, you will die. You will die with your imagination, and you can live with your imagination, and you will do anything with your imagination. So I will now you know the power of imagination. After that, the second story is that about Milkha Singh. Do you two all know about Milkha Singh? He is a great athlete. He is a great athlete, and before going to run, he used to imagine every race in his mind. He used to every race in his mind, and in the end he used to win, because that's the power of imagination, guys. That's the power of imagination. After that, when you starting imagination, then some people come and said to you where when you start when you start imagination, then some people come to you and said that you can't do anything on the basis of imagination. After that, you don't worried. It doesn't matter behind you, and just imagination. Start from today imagination, and start from today. Why I am saying that start from today?
Only 60 seconds. You have spoken more than 60 seconds.
That's why I am come late.
It is for everyone, whether you come later or on time.
But sir, now I am ready. 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. So sir,
So you can speak next time in some parts.
I was finished. 4 to 5 lines left. Why I am saying just start from today. Why I'm saying just start from today? Because every preparation and every observation, every determination, ladies and gentlemen, every determination, every innovation, ladies and gentlemen, every innovation start from today. Start from a small imagination. Start from a small imagination. So start from today. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Kunal. I have to come here tell you about things related of time. All things related of time.
Things related to crime.
Relative. Yes. So don't waste your time unless things. Don't waste your time unless things. Only focus your goal. Don't come back this time. It's lot. It's lot. eh, eh, It's lot, yeah. It's lot. It's lost next time. It's went. You will regret. Focus in your goal. Don't waste your time. Thanks.
Hello everyone. How are you? I am also fine. My name is Kiran Dubey. My name is Kiran Dubey. My father's name is Harish Chandra Upadhyay. My mother's name is Usha Devi. My father's is businessman and my mother's home wife. I speak the plant. Plant is very environmented. Plant is very environmented. Plant is he given oxygen. He some plants big and small. He some plants very my help air and flowers. Some plants is make flowers and plants and sunlight. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. My name is Neha, and I have done 12th class, and I pursuing BSc. So I have come here to tell about the importance of education in our life. Education is the key of our success. Education is as a weapon that you can fulfill your dreams and your family dreams. Education and I and I will say that don't think and don't tell yourself that you are not capable for everything. You are not capable for everything because you are so strong and you are deserving of every opportunity. Believe in yourself, hard work, and never give up. You should have faith in this. So only by the education you get success in the whole world, and education is only as the weapon that that you are that you are get success in the whole world, and proud of your family. So thank you to all for listening to me with patience and affection.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself is Neha Khan. I am going to share about how to save environment. So first of all, if we make a safe environment, so we need to take several steps. Then we need to take plants. भूल गई सर, शुरू से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So myself is Neha Khan. बोलें सर. Myself Sneha Khan. I am going to share about how to save environment. So first of all, if we make safe environment, so we need to take several steps. Then we need to stop deforesting plants and more trees. We need to conserve water and use it wisely. Additionally, we need to reduce our plastic uses and develop the uh, habit of recycling, and we need to save energy. Then uses energy sources like solar power. So let's work together we, to let's work together to save the environment and make the earth safe and clean. So thanks to everyone for listening me with patience and affection.
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Priyanka. I want to today. I want to tell about something very important. Self motivation is like a fire inside when fire inside you that fire inside you that you that fire inside you that fire inside you that fire inside you that thank you. Sorry.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suman, and my topic how to manage stress. Nowadays, many people and student now people many student and people and student suffer from stress. So now I tell you. So now, so so now I will tell you how to how to manage stress. Or there are many ways. There are many ways manage stress, like exercise, physical, yoga, and vacation, or vacation. Thanks.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Saurya Singh. My name is Saurya Singh, and my topic is, if your best. Uh, if if you try your best, then you never have to then you never wonder about for for uh, for what when thank you.
How is the location is fine, or it needs light, or light is okay? Next one. All done. Whenever students who wait for last to speak, kindly don't do this, because I don't have more time to just make you speak or give you time all the time. Come first and speak better. Right, sir? Start. Okay, sir.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Saransh. I am going to tell you about the importance of unity. Unity is our greatest strength, and when we stand together, we are unstoppable. But a single drop may seem small, but we are stand together. We are an ocean. Let's arise our division and support one another, because united we don't just survive but also thrive. Thank you very much for listening me so patiently. Have a nice time to all.
Right. Always remember some tips. As you came very first time, I think, you know? Yes. It's your first ever chance you spoke. I was not expecting this much even. It was off the charts. As you started first, ma'am tried first time, they also tried first time. This way. This way can improve. You can improve yourself, how to maintain eye contact. As well, you can maintain yourself how to boost the confidence while talking. Sometimes when we are some seminars, meetings, or we are motivating team members, we don't have place to stand. We need to maintain eye contact with everyone. So what we can go for while walking, you can go for this way. Sometimes we are not more comfortable on the podium while speaking. So on the ground here, you can feel more comfortable because you are not standing anywhere. Just people are looking at you. It means how you can maintain eye contact one by one. Instead of focusing on them, don't focus on them. Just look at their faces, check, and then go ahead with that. Next, tips to remember: whenever we have come here, we are nervous, having palpitation, and butterflies in the stomach. Don't focus on that. What we can do, just prepare short speech. Never go for 1 minute, 3 minutes conversation. Prepare for short speech and short story. Wish them first. Hello, good evening, everyone. as he started. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever words suits you, you can go for that. Good morning or good evening, everyone. First, salutation is important. Then go ahead. I'm going to speak my story. Until unless you have the voice, if your voice tone is low, then never speak like that. Confidence should be shown in your voice. It has to be loud and clear. If you forget sentence, no problem. You are human being. You may stutter, you may hesitate, you may forget something. You are not an AI. You are human being. Human being, they react, they act, they feel hesitated also. Never shy away speaking on over here. Whenever you get chance, prepare your any topic, start speaking. Right? So body it has to be stable. While walking, you should not be running comfortably. अब walking ऐसे भी नहीं हो चाहिए यूं। और जिम तो जैसे सही दुनिया आ रही है तो इतना कोई होता है। अब आदमी ऐसे वॉक कर रहे हैं ऐसे कि मतलब अंदर पॉटी कर लिए क्या ऐसा लगता है मुझे कहीं ये लुक नाइस बी कंफर्टेबल टांगे इतनी नहीं खोली जाती है इतनी बंदरी नहीं करी जाती है ऐसे नहीं रहना है ना बी कंफर्टेबल आई एम नॉट मेकिंग फन ऑफ एनीवन लेकिन कंफर्टेबल है आप है ना और वॉक प्रॉपर्ली आपको काउंट करने स्टेप्स फ्रॉम दिस वे एंड गो अहेड विद दैट एडी पहले जाती है एडी देन गो विद दिस एंड देन टर्न मेक मिड आई कॉन्टैक्ट अब हर ग्रुप में एक व्यक्ति ऐसा तो ऐसे कर रहा होता है जो करके फोकस ऑन दैम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज दे आर लिसनिंग यू दे आर अटेंटिव एंड whenever anyone is speaking you are supposed to cooperate him or her अब से cooperate करें as ma'am was trying something I also smiled but I